Today we have a 2015 Mazda 3. We'll be replacing the cabin filter, so let's get to the passenger side. Okay guys, so here on the passenger side, we're gonna open the glove box, squeeze both sides. You can see there's a little tab here. Just be careful, remove this or be careful with it. I'm just gonna be careful with it. Hopefully it doesn't all go flying out. But see, as you can see, it just goes downward. And if we look inside there, there's our cabin filter. Let's see how we remove this here. Looks like you gotta pull up this tab right here and slide it outward. Keep in mind the arrow, the direction it comes out, it'll show you on the filter. It looks like I need both my hands here, but let me go ahead and get this out and we'll get the new one installed. Alright, so preparing to slide it out. Once I got out that little clip there, it was filthy. So just kind of work it out. Maybe push the glove box a little further down if you need to. There we are. So let's see, normally they have a directional arrow. Looks like not, but probably goes in the same way as this. So let's get the new one installed. So it can only go in one way because of this little tab here that we saw when we removed. There's no directional arrow like other cabin filters. So all we do is just slide this in and lock it into place. Let me go ahead and just take care of that real quick, and then we'll close it out. Okay guys, my cabin filter is in. Just make sure we get that little thing locked. Oh, there is an arrow. Airflow downward. Didn't even see that there. But I believe, well, I guess that's in already. It doesn't go any further. I guess the other tab will lock it in right there. So let's go ahead and close this up. Just kind of push upward. And there we go. Close it all up. And we are done. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.